Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your skin suddenly looks thinner, drier, and full of fine lines, even though you're taking good care of it? What if one of the most talked about natural oils has been hiding in plain sight all along? Today, we're uncovering the science behind castor oil, why millions of people swear by it for healthier looking skin, and what research actually says about its potential benefits. But here's the important part. While castor oil has properties that can improve skin hydration and appearance, no natural oil can instantly erase wrinkles or permanently tighten skin. Understanding the truth may help you achieve healthier skin without falling for misleading claims. Take a close look at your skin in the mirror, those fine lines around your eyes, the tiny creases on your forehead, the dryness that seems to appear no matter how much moisturizer you use. Many people assume these are simply unavoidable signs of getting older. But what if part of the story isn't just aging itself? What if your skin is quietly losing something essential every single day, its ability to hold on to moisture? This is where one natural oil has captured enormous attention around the world: castor oil. Millions of people claim it makes their skin look smoother, softer, and more youthful. Social media is filled with dramatic before and after videos, promising tighter skin and disappearing wrinkles almost overnight. But do these claims stand up to science? The answer is far more fascinating than many people realize. Castor oil has been used for centuries in traditional skincare, yet modern researchers are now discovering why this thick, golden oil behaves differently from many other plant oils. Nearly 90% of castor oil consists of a unique fatty acid known as ricinoleic acid. Few natural oils contain such a high concentration of a single beneficial fatty acid, making castor oil chemically distinctive. Healthy skin depends on one critical function that most people never think about: retaining water. Your outer skin barrier acts like a protective shield, preventing precious moisture from escaping into the environment. Every day, sunlight, air conditioning, harsh soaps, pollution, aging, and even cold weather slowly weaken this barrier. As more water escapes, the skin becomes rough, dull, and less flexible. Tiny dehydration lines begin to appear, often making wrinkles look much deeper than they really are. Scientific research has shown that maintaining a healthy skin barrier is one of the most effective ways to improve the appearance of aging skin. This is where castor oil may help. Rather than flooding the skin with water, it forms a protective layer that slows the loss of existing moisture. Dermatologists describe this as reducing transepidermal water loss, the gradual evaporation of water from the skin's surface. Think about what happens to a grape left in the sun. As it loses water, it shrivels. While human skin is far more complex, the same basic principle applies. Hydrated skin appears smoother, reflects light more evenly, and often looks healthier than dehydrated skin. This simple change can soften the appearance of fine lines, even though the underlying wrinkle itself has not disappeared. Another remarkable feature of castor oil lies in its ability to support the skin's natural barrier. When that barrier remains strong, the skin becomes more resilient against environmental stress. Everyday irritants have less opportunity to penetrate, moisture stays locked inside, and the skin can function more efficiently. Researchers increasingly recognize that preserving this barrier is fundamental to long-term skin health. Oxidative stress is another hidden enemy of youthful skin. Every day, unstable molecules known as free radicals are produced by sunlight, pollution, cigarette smoke, and even normal metabolism. These molecules gradually damage proteins like collagen and elastin, which help keep skin firm and elastic. Antioxidant compounds found in plant oils, including castor oil, may help reduce some of this oxidative stress, although no oil can completely stop the aging process. Scientists have also investigated ricinoleic acid for its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation doesn't always appear as obvious redness or swelling. Low-grade inflammation can quietly affect the skin over many years, contributing to irritation and impaired barrier function. Laboratory studies suggest ricinoleic acid has anti-inflammatory activity, although more high-quality human studies are needed to fully understand its effects in skincare. This brings us to one of the biggest myths on the internet. Many videos promise that castor oil dramatically boosts collagen production or permanently tightens loose skin. At present, strong clinical evidence simply does not support those claims. If your skin looks firmer after using castor oil, the improvement is most likely due to better hydration and a healthier skin barrier rather than the creation of large amounts of new collagen. That may sound disappointing, but in reality, it's encouraging. Hydration is one of the quickest and safest ways to improve the appearance of tired, dry skin. Even expensive cosmetic products often work by improving moisture balance and supporting the skin barrier. Using castor oil correctly is just as important as choosing it. Because it is naturally thick, only a small amount is needed. Applying too much can leave the skin feeling greasy and may not suit people who are prone to acne. Many skincare professionals recommend applying 1 or 2 drops to slightly damp skin or blending it with a lighter oil, such as jojoba oil or squalane, to improve spreadability. Before using any new skincare product, perform a patch test on a small area of skin and wait 24 hours. Although castor oil is generally well tolerated, some people can develop irritation or allergic contact dermatitis. If redness, itching, or swelling occurs, discontinue use and seek medical advice if needed. It is also important to remember that healthy skin depends on much more than what you apply to its surface. Adequate sleep allows the skin to repair itself overnight. A balanced diet provides vitamin C, protein, zinc, and other nutrients needed to maintain healthy skin. Regular use of sunscreen helps protect collagen from ultraviolet damage. These habits have far stronger scientific support for slowing visible skin aging than any single natural oil alone. So, is castor oil a miracle cure? No. But dismissing it completely would overlook what science does suggest. By helping reduce moisture loss, supporting the skin barrier, and contributing to healthier-looking skin, castor oil may be a useful addition to a well-rounded skincare routine for many people. The greatest lesson is perhaps the simplest one. Healthy skin is rarely the result of one magical ingredient. It is built through consistent daily care, realistic expectations, and evidence-based habits. Castor oil can play a supporting role, but lasting skin health comes from protecting your skin every single day. The next time you hear someone promise instant wrinkle removal or overnight skin tightening, remember this: real science rarely offers miracles, but it often offers something even more valuable. It gives us practical, reliable ways to care for our bodies, one small habit at a time. And sometimes, those small habits create the biggest difference over the years. Imagine discovering that the biggest secret to younger-looking skin isn't hidden inside an expensive luxury cream or a miracle bottle of oil. It's hidden inside the choices you make every single day. While countless advertisements promise instant skin tightening and wrinkle removal, dermatologists and researchers continue to reach the same conclusion. Healthy, resilient skin is built from consistent habits, not quick fixes. The truth may surprise you, because even the most promising natural ingredient, including castor oil, can only do so much if the rest of your lifestyle is working against your skin. Your skin is the largest organ in your body, and every second it is performing extraordinary work. It forms a protective barrier against bacteria, pollution, chemicals, ultraviolet radiation, and physical injury. At the same time, it constantly repairs microscopic damage caused by everyday life. But like every other organ, it depends on the right conditions to function properly. When those conditions are missing, the signs often appear on your face long before you notice them anywhere else. One of the biggest contributors to visible skin aging is sunlight. Ultraviolet radiation penetrates the skin and gradually damages collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for firmness and elasticity. Research consistently shows that a significant proportion of visible facial aging is related to cumulative sun exposure rather than the passage of time alone. Fine lines, uneven pigmentation, rough texture, and loss of elasticity often develop more quickly in skin that receives years of unprotected sun exposure. This explains why sunscreen is widely regarded by dermatologists as one of the most effective anti-aging tools available. Daily use of a broad-spectrum sunscreen helps reduce ultraviolet damage, preserving the skin structure over time. It doesn't erase existing wrinkles overnight, but it helps slow the processes that create new ones. Protecting collagen is often more effective than trying to restore it after years of damage. Nutrition is another piece of the puzzle that many people underestimate. Skin cells are constantly renewing themselves, and that renewal requires raw materials supplied by your diet. Protein provides the amino acids needed to build structural proteins. Vitamin C is essential for normal collagen formation. Minerals such as zinc and copper contribute to tissue maintenance and repair. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, and oily fish provide antioxidants and healthy fats that support overall skin health. While no single food guarantees wrinkle-free skin, a balanced dietary pattern gives the body the resources it needs to maintain healthy tissues. Hydration also plays an important role. Water supports normal body functions, but it is worth remembering that simply drinking more water will not magically eliminate wrinkles. Instead, good hydration helps maintain normal physiological processes, while moisturizers and barrier-supporting skincare help reduce water loss from the skin surface. This combination, internal hydration and external skincare, often produces the most noticeable improvement in comfort and appearance. Sleep is another factor that often receives too little attention. During sleep, the body carries out essential repair and maintenance processes. Persistent sleep deprivation has been associated with poorer skin barrier function and slower recovery from environmental stress. Although sleep cannot stop aging, adequate rest supports the body's natural ability to maintain healthy skin. Stress also leaves its mark. Long-term psychological stress can influence hormone levels and inflammatory pathways that affect the skin. Some people notice increased sensitivity, acne flare-ups, or worsening of certain skin conditions during periods of prolonged stress. Managing stress through physical activity, mindfulness, social connection, or other healthy coping strategies benefits not only mental well-being but overall health, including the skin. Exercise contributes in ways that are sometimes overlooked. Regular physical activity supports cardiovascular health and improves circulation, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Exercise also supports metabolic health and overall well-being. While exercise is not a direct wrinkle treatment, maintaining good general health creates a stronger foundation for healthy skin. Now think about where castor oil fits into this picture. Castor oil can help reduce moisture loss from the skin and support the skin barrier, making dry skin feel softer and appear smoother. For many people, that can make fine lines caused by dryness less noticeable. But even the best moisturizer cannot compensate for repeated sun damage, smoking, poor nutrition, chronic sleep deprivation, or an inconsistent skincare routine. It works best as one supportive step within a much larger picture. It is also important to choose skincare products thoughtfully. Ingredients with stronger clinical evidence for improving signs of aging include topical retinoids, which can stimulate skin cell turnover and improve the appearance of fine lines over time, and vitamin C formulations that provide antioxidant protection. These products are not suitable for everyone and should be introduced carefully, but they have considerably more research behind them than most internet trends. Patience is perhaps the most underrated ingredient of all. Skin renewal takes time. Improvements in texture, hydration, and overall appearance usually develop gradually over weeks rather than overnight. Consistency matters far more than intensity. Applying a small amount of an appropriate product regularly is often more effective than using large amounts inconsistently or constantly changing routines. There's another important lesson hidden beneath all of this. Marketing often encourages people to search endlessly for the next miracle ingredient, creating the impression that aging is a problem to be defeated at any cost. Yet healthy skin is not defined by the complete absence of wrinkles. Aging is a normal biological process. The goal of skincare is not to eliminate every line, but to support the skin's health, comfort, and function throughout life. Scientific research continues to improve our understanding of how the skin ages and how lifestyle choices influence that process. Again and again, the evidence points in the same direction. Daily sun protection, a balanced diet, regular sleep, physical activity, stress management, gentle skincare, and appropriate moisturization provide a stronger foundation than any single product acting alone. So the next time someone promises instant skin tightening or permanent wrinkle removal from one oil, one cream, or one secret ingredient, pause for a moment and ask a simple question. Does this claim match what decades of scientific research have actually shown? In most cases, the answer is more balanced than the headlines suggest. The real transformation comes from protecting your skin every day, nourishing your body from within, and using evidence-based skincare consistently. Castor oil can certainly be part of that journey for many people by helping keep the skin moisturized and supporting its natural barrier. But lasting skin health is created by the combination of healthy habits that work together over months and years. The most powerful beauty routine is not built on promises of overnight miracles. It is built on knowledge, consistency, and realistic expectations. When you care for your skin with patience and evidence-based habits, you are investing in something far more valuable than a temporary cosmetic change. You are supporting the health of the remarkable organ that protects you every single day, and that is a result worth pursuing.